In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a quote template in PandaDoc. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can build a polished quote and send it out with confidence. This is especially useful when you want to present pricing clearly, organize package options, and make your document look professional without starting from scratch every time. To begin, log into PandaDoc and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, click New Document. This is where you'll start creating the file you want to send. From there, search for a quote template. Using a pre-built template is a great time saver because it gives you a structure that's already designed for presenting services, pricing, and important client information in a clean, easy-to-read format. After you open the quote template, the next step is to add the client-specific details. This is where you'll personalize the document so it matches the exact project or event you're quoting for. Enter details such as the event date, the selected package, and the price. Make sure everything is accurate and easy to understand. This part matters because even a well-designed quote can create confusion if the information isn't clearly tailored to the recipient. Take a moment to double-check the details before moving on so your quote feels polished and reliable. Next, customize the document to better showcase your offerings. On the right-hand menu, you can drag and drop pricing tables or content blocks directly into the template. This is a very helpful feature because it allows you to visually organize your menu options or package selections in a way that's more appealing and easier for the client to review. Pricing tables are especially useful when you want to compare options side by side, while content blocks can help you add more explanation or structure to the page. As you customize, keep readability in mind. A clean layout makes it easier for the client to understand what's included and what they're paying for. Once everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click Review and send in the top right corner. This opens the sending window where you'll enter the recipient's email address and write a personalized message. Keep that message clear, professional, and friendly so the recipient knows exactly what they're receiving. When you're satisfied, click Send. And that's it. You've created, customized, and sent a professional quote in PandaDoc. With just a few steps, you can turn a standard template into a personalized document that's clear, organized, and ready for your client to review.